Try this quick and easy recipe, perfect for dinner. Let's start our recipe by cutting 300 grams of cabbage, then put it in a bowl. Peel a big carrot, then grate it, and add it to the bowl. Peel a big onion, then chop it using a knife, and add it to the bowl. Season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Put the bowl aside. In another bowl, add 4 eggs. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for always following our recipes. We're super curious. Add a pinch of salt in the eggs and start whisking. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. Transfer the beaten eggs in the bowl with the cabbage and the carrot and mix well. In a pan on minimum heat, drizzle some oil and spread it across. Then add the mix. Using a spatula, spread it across. Cover with a lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Then take the lid off and using a plate, flip the omelet to cook the other side. This recipe tastes delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. Cover again and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. And our recipe is done. Super quick, and it only needs a few ingredients. I really hope you liked the recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!